Okay, I'm making this video for people on my UDXF group. We're hearing this sound. They say it sounds like a buzzer. It sounds like a warble, a fast warble to me, but we'll call it the buzzer. Not the buzzer, but a buzzer. So here we go. It's on 1000. I'm sorry, 10028. So here we go. I'm going to see if the voices have anything to do with it. Anyway, that's what they're calling the buzzer. I'll put this on YouTube in case anybody wants to see it or hear it, whatever. I'm in southwestern Ohio. Radios you can see is a Kenwood R1000. The antenna, believe it or not, is an old Antron 99 at 40 feet, an old CB antenna. Seems to pull in the signals real well. Thank you for watching my video.